Welcome to Health 24 by 7.
Hello viewers, I am Dr. Rahul Reddy from Androcare Andrology Institute, Hyderabad. Today we will discuss about testosterone deficiency in males. Nowadays this is commonly seen problem in young males which was not seen before. Now let us discuss about testosterone. See, testosterone is produced in the testes and testosterone has so many functions in males. Sexual function, sexual desire, bone strength, muscle mass, even weight management, memory issues, all these are related to testosterone in males. Now, since testosterone is produced in the testes, now we have to see why testosterone is on the lower side. Just whenever there is low testosterone, just taking a testosterone injection is not the solution here. What has to be done is, why testosterone is on the lower side? We have to go to the root cause. So, one, our lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle. If somebody is sitting continuously for 8 to 10 hours and continuously working, there is increased testicular temperature. Whenever there is heat increase in testis, then testosterone production can come down. If sleep, see, normally testosterone is produced in the night time when somebody is in deep sleep. This is related to our biological clock. If your sleep is affected, then testosterone production is less. Then third, lack of exercise, vitamin D deficiency, that means lack of exposure to sunlight, any problem in the testes. That means these are the first four are our lifestyle related issues. The last one is related to our testicular function. If testis is not functioning properly, then even then testosterone production will be on the lower side. And sometimes even drugs, that means the drugs what we take, sometimes we take hair loss medications, sometimes we take whey proteins, sometimes we take some prostate medications. All these things can alter the balance between total testosterone and free testosterone in the body. So then which can lead to sexual dysfunction. So now, whenever somebody is having low testosterone, they have to try to change their lifestyle. Regularly, they have to exercise properly. In spite of that, if testosterone is not improving, then we have to look for scrotal, that means testicular cause. We have to find out whether the testis is functioning normally or not. So, all these people, we are not supposed to give direct testosterone injections, because once we start direct testosterone injections, your body thinks that there is no need for production, and the permanent production will stop, and body depends on temporary testosterone which is coming from outside. So what we have to do, we have to segregate patients into different categories. If somebody is trying to get children, or patients who are trying to conceive, then we are not supposed to give direct testosterone, because we have to try to increase in a different way, because any direct testosterone injection can suppress sperm production in the testes. But somebody who has already completed their family, they want only testosterone for their sexual life, then they can take testosterone supplements. Testosterone supplements can come in powder form, gel form, tablets and injections. Tablets they have to take it daily. Gel they have to apply on the skin daily. Now even testosterone patches are available, and injections are in different forms. Once in 3 weeks injection, once in 3 months injection, and once in 6 months injection. There are different types of injection. So it all depends what patient needs and what is the root cause for his problem. So viewers, please understand that not all patients with testosterone deficiency can be treated in a similar way. We have to find the root cause. Second, and don't take, if you are trying to get pregnancy, or if you are planning for kids, don't take these testosterone injections at any cost. They can suppress your sperm count. So you ask your doctor, whenever you go to your doctor, tell them that you are trying to conceive, so let them treat in a different way. So there are other medications which act on the brain, which increases your testosterone production, There are some safe injections which temporarily produce testosterone in your body. So you have to, if you are trying for kids, you have to opt for that. If you are not trying for kids, then go for simple testosterone replacement therapy. Okay, viewers, any other doubts regarding this? Ask us in the comment section. We'll try to cover in next upcoming videos. Thank you.
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.